But yeah, she's 15.
Yeah, this is her first outing.
This is her first outing from the farm.
She is good.
She's been with us probably about a year or so. When her companion passed away,
over near
she came to us. Because they pair up with a friend. And they can live up to 50 years.
She's really into the camera. Thank you.
But yeah, she's always happy, always smiling. She's really good.
Good pose, girl. Years.
This is Jerica. Black one's Jerica. Brown one is Bella.
What's the name?
This is Bella, and this is Jerica. Of course, yep.
Maybe so. Let's see.
Contestants are loaded. All right, are you gonna get? I'm gonna go get the string. I'll leave it at the front for you though.
All right.
They are just gonna race to where the band's playing.
Okay, remember, 1, 2, 3,
race to go!
Let's go!
Video, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ah, another baby tooth gnasher. He'll grow big and strong one day. And tooth grinder. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Hi.
Scared? Come here.
Lily's a little freak.
Come.
There's little teeth.
Come. Quick, Lily.
Videoing or filming? Or...
I want you to let it go.
Go? Okay. Here you go.
Beautiful. And tell me about what was happening today, or what is happening today, or
So
this weekend.
we had Goatchella Festival, second year running, and I think that it was great. It's been great. We've got lots of vendors. We had Sheila from Primrose with Raspberry. I'm thrilled it was her first outing. I'm honored that she came here to do that. We had goat races. We have Icelandic Beer Tolt Challenge, which was a hoot. We have stone painting for the kids, which is run by Cultivate, which is a festival that's happening here actually in September, the end of September. Great food. What else can I tell you? I think
Tell me
that's-
about the donkey event that kind of dropped out, or didn't drop out.
I didn't
guess.
drop out, yes. So I called Sheila a little while ago and said we'd love to do donkey bingo, which is you map out a bingo card and you hope that the donkey will poop in one of the numbers or letters, you know, like one of the, as if it were a bingo card. People will bet on where they think that donkey is going to poop. Well, even when I spoke to Sheila, she said, you know, it's possible she may not poop. So, and that's exactly what happened. But you know, that's the luck of the draw, and I think people are out to have a good time and to support the sanctuary. So
People are amazing when they see the goats. They get up close to the goats. You can just see it in their faces. If you can just talk a little bit about that.
Oh, God, the goats. They make me, you know, I don't know. I get a lump in my throat when I talk about those guys. This way Sheila gets a lump in her throat about the donkeys. There's something about goats that just grabs your heart. I don't know how to describe it, and people know it intuitively, and so when they're able to come and schmurgle the goats or hug the goats or just hang out with the goats, there's something that really touches them in a different way and makes them feel good.
What's schmurgle?
Schmurgle is when you hug or cuddle or just spend time with a goat.
And is that a word you made up?
I did. Don't blame me. I was looking for something that was fun because the goats are absolutely fun and it kind of sounded like hugging and cuddling and all that stuff.
Last question. You've got more than goats and a donkey. You've got llama?
I have alpacas. People mistake them all the time. I don't have a donkey, I've got a mule. And I've got Icelandic horses. So because we have the Icelandic horses, we thought let's do something fun with them. So that's why we did the Icelandic Beer Tolt Challenge, which is in Iceland, they actually carry a mug of beer. Riders carry a mug of beer. And they race against each other. Whoever gets to the finish line first with the most amount of beer is the winner. So we're going to run it again actually in a few minutes. Yeah.
Vote for whichever horse you think is going to win. This is fabulous Mabina.
Let's go. Woo!